Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on the 6-speed manual transmission with transmission called02Q that is used in many Volkswagens, Audi, Seats and Skoda. This transmission is part of the MQ350 transmission family and is used in many four-wheel drive vehicles. This is the transmission right there, and here we can see this on top is the filler plug right there, and the drain plug is on the bottom, which is right there. Before draining the old oil, first we're going to open the filler plug just to make sure that we can fill the oil afterwards. This is my Allen key that I'm going to use to open the filler plug. Once the filler plug is loosened, next I can remove the drain plug and drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video you can find links to the tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. That's all the oil drained. Next I'm going to put on the drain plug and tighten it. Next I'm going to remove the filler plug and I'm going to fill the transmission with oil. Before I fill in the oil, first I'll show you the specifications for the oil for this transmission. Here you can see what oil needs to be used. Now I'm going to start filling the transmission. This is the oil that I'm going to use. It's 75W GL4. I'm going to use my hand pump, which I'm going to put into the bottle, and I'm going to fill the transmission. The transmission will be at max level when the oil starts flowing from the level hole. Or I mean the filler hole. The filler hole and the level hole is the same thing on this transmission. In the service manual it said that the transmission is filled with 2.3 liters of oil, so we need about 3 liters of oil, and we're going to start filling it in. When oil starts flowing from the filler hole, that means that the transmission oil is at maximum level, and then we can put the filler plug on. So we continue to pump oil in there until the oil starts flowing from the filler hole. Here we can see some oil started dripping. Maybe pump a little bit more until it starts flowing. Now we can remove the hose and we can see that oil is flowing. So now we're going to put on the filler plug and tighten it. Since oil started flowing from the filler hole, that means that the oil level is at its maximum level. Now we're going to tighten the filler plug and we're done with replacing the transmission. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.